We're gonna make a gluten-free Irish soda bread. We have here 4 cups of gluten-free flour. We're using a very fine flour that's made specifically for bread, but you can use a 1-for-1 replacement flour of any gluten-free mix that you wanna use. We're also gonna have 2 cups of our homemade buttermilk. We make this right here on the farm. 3 tablespoons of sugar we're gonna put into our flour mix. 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1.5 teaspoons of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, and then we're going to stir this together. We're going to add our 1/3 of a cup of butter, an egg, and our 2 cups of buttermilk. Once you've got that in your bowl, you're going to mix it all together, pat it out gently because it's kind of like a biscuit. So we're going to put it out, knead it out on a floured surface just a little bit. And then if you want to make it in a single skillet, this recipe fits in a 7-inch skillet this size. Or what we like to do here is divide it into 2 smaller skillets. So if you're going to divide it into 2, make 2 balls, set it in, put some slices on the top. And if you're going to make one, just get it all so it's set in here and still slice it on the top. And then you're going to put it into a 400-degree oven for approximately 50 minutes. We hope you enjoy this recipe. Thank you.